The beautiful girl.
Wait, I can't
Yeah.
open it.
You open
Just
it.
open the
What
can.
happened, Vela?
I'm so sleepy.
Why you
You're
sleepy?
reuniting with Justin. You're reuniting, huh?
Oh, stop it. No.
You are the kapitbahay.
We are not.
Oh, we are 2 hours away.
What?
Two?
Yeah.
So long.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's right.
traveler.
Go.
Hi, Joyce.
You slept over at Parina's beddings?
Hi, good sila Justin, kay Nita.
Ano ko, sa pambala sa balanay.
Ay, ano to.
Ano to may ginambal? What are you saying? What are you saying to me?
Say it again.
Wondering if you, Lisa, slept over at Parina's beddings.
No, it's not.
Please not yet go to the Farina bedding. Not allowed.
Nita her.
But Farina is go to my bedding.
But I'll allow you to go to Justin bedding.
So it is a situationship. The ship.
You're lag. I'm not here. Anything. I'm deaf. I'm blind. I cannot shit. I cannot do
The ship
anything.
has sailed. The ship has
And
sailed.
the rain
ship
is
has
falling in your heart.
No. Let's go back to the.
When Nisa is come arrive at home, she's gonna sleep there.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yes.
the pantalon?
Adobo. She is the adobo.
In the pantalon?
She's gonna sleep there in the, what do you call this? The fog.
Tagalog, biday.
You're sleeping in the kitchen adal?
The
Kitchen
oil.
dal, yes.
Kitchenadal.
Tagalog, available.
Joyce to the
paano mo
world,
tayo
guys.
in the pugday?
Joyce to the world closing the camera.
Why is it so?
It's difficulty to not smile and laugh.
Yes.
Hindi, kung
You
Tagalog,
show them
okay
your
na.
talent.
Kailang mag-lap.
Mag-Tagalog, you're
Tagalog
after your
tayo.
free time is now.
I'm out.
Sige, be. Kapoy. Kapoy and Dre.
Gani.
How are you? Kumusta?
Gusto yung hands ko kakaisip ng words.
Wait lang. Sino? So, taga-san si Nisa?
Talisay. Tas siya.
Isabella.
Wait, di ba taga Iloilo kayo?
Hindi.
Kolod.
Ah, Bacolod. Alam mo, I've never found Bacolod.
Okay.
Isa, dahil inasal lang.
Dream ko mag-Bacolod eh.
I think Parina's inviting you to go to Bacolod.
Go yourself here.
With the, I like to eat the chicken and all the sticks.
It's perfect.
But Farina does not eat chicken, so you have to adjust to her diet.
I'm gonna come with you, but I'm not gonna eat.
Oh, we can fast talk.
You will feed him.
I'm gonna bring myself.
You will feed him the spoon.
Yeah.
Depends on situation.
Depends to the media.
To the media. Yeah.
Just me, Sunny. Muyong.
Ano channel to yung... May show ba to? May show ba tayo? Ano ba to?
Ano ganap
Tayo?
niya?
Wala lang. Ba't nga, Rico, di? Si Bradley.
Sabi ko na wala daw kausap sa live. Ano naman comment? I-solo child mo siya. Na-solo child na yung Tommy.
Solo child, Tommy.
Tawa na yun sa atin.
Pagod na yun.
Gusto niya ata foreigner ngayon eh.
Oo.
Yun yung ano niya.
Pax ko na sa bunda.
Sinita.
Iba ko, hindi. Kuya Chinis.
Sinipak. Effect.
So yung,
Pang-alam.
yung plan namin, Parina, gagana ba to? Gusto namin kasi para kaming boys night out.
So, tapos?
So yung idea ni Brad, maging chinitalk. So we'll talk about anything. Pero,
So you
May
call
wala- may
call
mga
us,
guests.
and then we accept random callers. Tapos,
random callers.
Yun, advice kami. Ibigay kami advice.
Live yan.
O, di ba?
Live.
The ship will sail or the ship will sink?
Sabat.
I don't know.
The
I
ship
think it will
is
sail.
anchored.
Depends on the topic.
It's shipping fee.
Shipping fee.
Loud. The chicken nuggets is loud.
What's your eat?
The burgers.
The burger.
What is a burger?
This one, based on the plan.
Oh.
Tastes like foam.
It's not.
Styrofoam?
It's like padding.
It's perfect for me.
Parina, it's morning there?
Yeah, the chicken is a morning person.
Her chicken is defective. Every
Chicken
10 p.m. is
detective.
the early out, early in.
Oh, they're
Okay.
heartfelt. In your head.
Yeah.
What is
What is the nationality of Nisa? Half
nationality is
half Pinoy, half
Half cook.
Persian. Alam ko may entry eh, so nilagyan ko muna ng space sa sagot ko.
Persian.
Persian.
Persian crutch.
Anong country
about-
yun? Anong country yun? Persia?
May
Iran.
Persia ba ba?
Wala nang Persia eh. Sabi ni Brad may Persia.
Teka, di ba pag Iran, Iranian dapat?
Oh, mas bongga yung Persian.
Sheesh! Sheesh!
Ganun pala yun.
Ganun yun ah.
Hindi, parang nasanay lang ako Persian. Parang, ang iba kasi kinukorek pang Iranian, Iranian daw.
Oo.
Persian na lang para wala na lang.
Persian, okay.
Pwede may
Pwede ka maging Miss Universe. Nisa.
Oh.
Namiyan ko ng free start, never declare.
Miss Universe, okay ka?
Hindi mo nga talaga ako kilala pa.
Ikaw si Miss Universe ka si
Tuloy ka
Nisa?
YouTube ga.
Ha?
Miss Universe ka na?
Mr.
Mr.
Miss
Universe ka
you
na?
lang. Hindi, miss you lang. Miss you lang.
Miss you.
Manay galit ah.
Tama
Si
na.
Parina, wala nang balan Miss Universe. Binibining Parina G.
Binibining Bacolod.
She has her own show. Binibining.
Gone.
Sheesh! Ba't may heart dito? Umiikot yung heart.
You're always gonna heartache anniversary. Why is that?
Ooh.
Let Joy speak. Was she silent or was she silent?
Silence and
He
charm.
is silenced by the face of the fraud.
Nabalabian ko pati gini. May British accent din na dahil
Sino?
nag-join man ko gina. British accent.
Kamukhang slave na. Nisa.
Ako, yung yung AI.
Yeah.
Wala, I'm so honored. May kamukha na akong AI.
Wait lang. Guys, you have to tell Tommy to go to my live kasi I can't invite him pag nasa live pa siya.
Okay.
Sabihin niyo naman, minsan lang
You are
kami
gonna-
live.
Si Brad yung gusto natin live tonight, alright?
Si Tommy,
Shanghai.
yung foreigner, patugodo.
Si Tommy, foreigner.
Sabihin niyo kay Tommy, iwan na niya yung United Nations niya.
Gani. UN sa'yo.
Oo, bubuo pa yun ng UN. Iba't iba ang Mag-usap muna kayo. Teka lang,
Bakit?
mangingisda ako.
Anong gagawin mo, Nisa?
Nangingisda ako, wag niyo akong ginugulo.
Pakita ka ng isda?
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Nangingisda ako. Kasi wala akong makain pag di ako mangisda.
She's gonna game herself. Game ka na ba?
Let me just catch
Hindi
my
siya, hindi siya fisherman.
and then I can give
Fisherwoman? I like it.
Just give me a
Why
sec.
is Brad be quiet?
Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. Don't forget to follow.
Bakit kailangan sabihin yun? Yun yung isa ko pang hindi ko pa intindihan.
Filler ako
Tanungin mo
eh.
siya,
Filler
hindi kami.
sentences niya lang.
Try it.
Ano meron doon? Yung,
Pang ano yun? Pang
pampatay ng air?
ng, yeah,
Dead air.
air.
Shit, pang artista pala yung ganawa style. Yung parang,
Sabihin mo. Try mo.
sa mga hindi pa nag-follow and, ano ba?
Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
Kung hindi pa nag-follow guys, please don't forget to follow. Follow na guys, follow.
Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
On cam po.
On ka.
Working po, working.
Open cam po.
Familiar.
Working or still
Sabay-sabay daw tayo. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo.
Ano?
Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, follow.
Kung hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
Please
Please
follow.
follow.
One,
One, two, three.
go.
Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
Yan. Thank you, partner.
Thank you.
Isa tayo. Uy, hindi mo bullying.
Ang ginibulin, support local. Ni.
Supporting.
Support local?
Support
Supporting
system.
Alam mo, pati sa love, baka mag-support local na ako eh. Yun yung bagay. Peg.
Paano?
Paano?
Explain.
Pupunta ako ng local. I'll go around
Specifically from Bacolod, you mean?
I've never been to Bacolod. The one might be there.
Oh, the one is eating the buns in the yard.
The one
yard.
that got away. Who are you
You
referring?
get the milkshake.
Justin, huh?
Sorry.
Who are you referring to that the one on the Bacala?
The one in the bun.
The rest is still unwritten. Okay.
Follow. To be
Yes.
determined.
Is it the bottom or the left of the tree?
It is a flood control, so it is still undecided. Under construction.
It's unprocessed. 7 days
Unprocessed,
business
yeah.
days.
On processing.
Am I listening? Am I hearing of you?
Why?
Because my phone is what do you call this? This disinfected is sometimes is breaking.
But you are loud.
I'm the less okay.
You are edible.
No, your phone is with the turbulence.
Cause it's old style, you know, vintage.
It's Nokia.
Don't worry, you are music to my ears.
Oh shit! That is music to my ass.
Oh! But
What I said What? It's not allowed here?
It's allowed. You're allowed.
Very much allowed.
Allowance yourself.
Continuation.
Continuation.
Only half VAT is allowed here.
Okay, but no actions because we will be the same like Bradley is gonna violated.
Yeah,
No,
it's
no more. I
color.
don't like the
Yes,
restriction.
Color
Not
violet.
anymore. Wait, my love of my life is in the quietness.
No, Justin sounds like a basketball player
Where?
Why?
because of his speech, of his
Oh.
wordings.
Because he's talking to many of the people like that, huh?
Indeed, indeed.
Oh, he's practicing himself.
I'm dribbling? I'm dribbling?
You're
Yeah.
dribbling a lot. The
You
ball.
are.
I need to, but I will not do the crossover. No crossover.
Anong kakalatago?
Lisa, are you lost, baby girl?
Oh, Farina, you really are my type. You got me there. You got me like this.
He's lost. She's lost, Justin, so you're finding her.
Lost in translation.
Don't find
Finding
Nemo.
Nemo.
Finding Nemo?
Don't find Nemo, find Nisa.
Okay.
Mama Nemo. Okay, Mama Nemo.
Mama Nemo.
Where's gonna be the Tom?
Where?
Tom
you miss Tom and Jerry?
himself. May,
Do you miss Tom and
He's
Jerry?
not wanting.
why is not
No,
the
she
crush?
wants to see the past and the present.
Oh, they are telling that I am fifth wheeling.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not.
Alright.
So now we
To all
bring
the
your
fans.
partner.
To all the fans. We need another
We need the partner of the
a partner. Please find us a partner
X-Men.
tonight. Now.
Shape.
We do a triple.
And
Triple double.
please, sa mga hindi pa nagpa-follow, please follow.
We will join daw in a bit. Somebody.
Who is gonna be sad?
Sa comment.
Okay.
But Tommy's the hottest no? Right. Tommy's the sizzling sisig talaga.
He's gonna Zimbabwe.
Yeah. Zumba every day.
He's a rocket ship to the.
The chief is
BC.
Chief of Police.
the chief of police is still in
Justice
the
Corona.
kitchen.
That is the Farina.
talking about?
The
Brad,
chief.
try mo kaya? Tawagin mo kaya sila.
Alo, hindi naman katulad sa Farina. Sa utan na naman ka. Inom ka naman, daga.
Bangkot naman sa dayan nga. Saan ba Manila? Panitaang burger.
Dulang baso. Ay, makasal na ang shift.
Kasal na, may kasal na.
Bearer ko.
Makasal na sa. Ang comment, makasal na ang shift.
Kasal na. No, but not yet. Only the engagement.
Yes.
Oh,
You still
so
have
happiness.
Uy,
Happiness.
Marina, siya, chance ko no, Bernie Joy.
What?
Chance ko sa ano.
Don't gonna be sad of that.
engagement. It's not yet.
Marina, just
Only
show your
engagement.
best version of yourself.
Show your best
Yeah.
and
You object.
do the rest.
Yes.
You objectify. Objectify.
It's gonna be the wedding day and it's gonna be like, you're staff of that kind of ceremonial.
Yeah. Your Honor, I invoke my rights. Like that.
Yeah.
Your Honor.
You just say, stop the car.
Stop.
Oh.
And look
Stop
and
the
listen and learn is gonna be say that. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Staff of the ceremonial of that. Stuff the cards, stuff look and listen.
Stop looking like this.
Stop the ceremonial match.
There's a lot of script to say. It's so hard.
Stop.
But if not in agreement, you always go to your X-Men.
What do you mean today? What do you mean today?
To the Tom and Jerry's. Tom and Jerry.
No, he's always busy himself. He's not gonna talk to me.
No, it's a sensitive topic for her. Please don't bring it up. Bring it on only.
He's always gonna be busy because
Okay, we bring it on.
he's always said,
It's gonna be in the tampo.
don't forget to follow, please follow. Okay, fine, we're gonna talk to them and not to me.
Sensitive topic. Okay.
You
Uy,
heard me?
kamay mo. Kung naka-up ang hair, sabi Tagalog.
Hindi, kung
Gap-
nakalugay ang ba nito?
Amo na.
Lain niya lang.
Pero pwede Tagalog na. As in,
Tagalog na?
ubos na ako niya, ano.
Sakit ang ulo mo, Nisa?
Oo. Appear tayo. Sumakit ang
Appear.
Sumakit ang bewang ko.
Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex.
Hello? Even the rich is the same humor as us?
Alam na. Same.
You're gonna be the same.
It's gonna be the same.
It's gonna be the mention.
You're gonna be the mutation of the... What?
Hospital?
Yes.
No, it's just an acting. What?
Don't close your eyes to the disbelief. He's real.
Oh,
Are you gonna do the help?
I say to that.
Because you're blinking.
No, I'm just acting like that.
The English ka mablagapon.
Ay, ako nag-gaya po, nagsugod English.
Tagalog na? Tagalog na?
Tagalog,
Ako na mag-adjust ng Tagalog kayo.
Ay, nako.
Dulang.
Guess natin.
Dulang, ako
Hindi, ganito na lang. Tuloy natin yung podcast.
Ano? So,
Contest?
Palina, paano ka nag-start sa TikTok? Yun na lang, para ma-inspire ako dito. Kailan ka nag-start? Paano mo naisip yung content mo?
College.
College pa?
Ako nun. Pero hindi ko siya parang sineseryoso. Parang random videos lang.
Ah.
Tapos nung nag-graduate na talaga ako doon ko finish.
Pero yung college, gano'n na yung content mo. Kasi parang baliktad na words, lahat.
Minsan, pero hindi lahat. Parang nakakaumay naman kasi pag palagi. Sabi ko mag-Tagalog, day.
Diretso to.
Ba't siya gan? Kung nagigyan nga mga kapamanila.
Boom!
Sinasun kanila. They are sunduin kanila.
Oo.
Gusto mo may banda pa eh. Gusto mo lagyan namin ng banda. Sa airport, wala ba?
Oh, the
Banda.
brother.
Oh shit! You're
Okay, we'll
shaking!
drive. I'll drive. And then Joyce shotgun. And then Farina and Justin in the back.
Yes.
Where is Nisa?
Good.
I'm not go. Hindi ako kasama.
Kasama ka nga eh.
Nisa in between... Justin in between Nisa and Farina.
Oh, parang movie cover na.
Sige, sige. Gutok na rin. Gutok na rin sa...
Ilang seater ba yan?
Van to. Isang van.
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 Si Parina, front seat palagi.
Francis.
Ayaw niya sa ano.
Sa likod tayo.
Front. Oh, sige. Justin will drive.
I'm gonna drive you crazy. You guys. And we're gonna under the...
Wala na.
Under the wear?
Under the... Ano ganyan balok mo sa kalog na lang maagi dahil hindi ko kabalo mag-drive.
Wala makabulos ang kalog sa tanan.
Hindi na lang magambal ah.
We're gonna do it in the car. Ganun pala,
But what I'm trying to say is gonna be that...
Tagalog!
Tagalog.
Himuon niya ko na sa car.
Ang ibig kong sabihin, kasi hindi ko marunong mag-drive ni crazy, we're gonna... Dadaan na lang tayo sa...
Lubak.
Ano gani guys, ang kalog.
Kalog. Yung lubak.
Hindi, yung dinadaan na tubig. Kanal!
Kanal.
Maybe that's trying to say...
Kanal.
Yeah, kasi I am not gonna know of the drive-through in the center aisle of the street.
Yeah, pero sa Manila kasi lahat lubak eh. Kanal dito lahat.
Oh, kanal humor?
Kanal, yeah. Lumot. Kanal lumot dito.
Oh, it's not kanal humor. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong number.
Wrong number.
Excited ka na mag-Manila, Parina.
Saan Kailan ba?
Daw.
Parina, ang dami kong papakilala sa'yo.
Are you free all
Pag
the
pumunta ka
time?
sa Manila, yes. For you, will be free.
Will you
block
free
off-
yourselves?
Yes.
Yes. Parina, ang dami kong papakilala sa'yo pag nag-Manila ka.
Okay.
Kawawa naman ang immune system ng kaibigan ko.
Kaya
Konti ano
naman.
lang.
Dad, congratulations to you. I am gonna see your post that you are gonna shoot the ball in the hole. Perfect.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It is
I'm one with the whole and one with my love.
yeah.
It's perfect kind of activity for you.
Why don't you
I can
kiss your
try
love?
out myself.
Why don't you kiss your love? Ooh!
Higher.
I'm sorry.
Oh! Sa mga hindi pa nag-like,
Bukod mo na.
follow.
Perfect.
You say the wrong word.
Ha?
You're saying the wrong word. It's follow.
Follow.
Oh, the birds of the Inom ka naman.
Tapos ano oras ka matutulog, Parina?
Of the drunk cards after.
After. Eat, then sleep.
Vitamilk lang na.
Uy, if I am gonna go there, we're gonna party.
Where?
We're gonna dance. Everywhere you want.
You want to go merry-go-around? Ganun?
I love dancing, you know.
I will bring you to the Poblation.
Okay, we're gonna try that.
Yes.
But it's just dance.
I think many will taking the picture of yourself.
It's not gonna know. There are a lot of don't know of me.
I'm the first. Who's gonna take
Here, Sophia. Okay.
Poblasyon ka. Ipa-oblation ka ko na dahil.
Di yung pagigani ang pinaka na effect. Baka makasaot lang saya.
Parina, by the way, fun fact. No drinking, but go home at 5 or 6 a.m. when the bar is closing.
When the sun is up, when the chickens
not
are...
allowed. 3 a.m. not allowed.
When
4
the
a.m.
takoyaki is stacking.
6
5 a.m.
is the month.
6.
No drinking, dancing alone.
No back pain, no osteoporosis in the group, no gout, nothing.
Why don't we invite the 2,300k followers to party with us?
Oh, cute.
Stampede.
Stop the ceremonial.
You want to go to March?
Is
What?
this meet and greet?
Yes.
Party lang, party.
Party lang.
Yes.
Oh, the birds of the feather.
Share.
movie is
Share, yun na nga.
Yes, it's my
Fun
favorite. Always gonna watch this kind of.
2,400 followers. I mean viewers.
Fun run ko, no?
Sa mga hindi pa na-follow, please follow.
Marina,
Working or
nag-jogging ka,
studying?
nakita ko.
What?
Nag-jogging ka.
Oo.
Oo. Para pagdating mo dito, mag-jogging rin tayo.
Let's go jog, please.
Yeah,
Stalking
sa
your
Ayala.
He's stalking your media.
Oh, you're
I
stalking your
stalked
media.
her. I actually stalked her. Si Nisa. Secret.
Oh my
Oh, he watched too many of you. He watched too many of you.
Oh,
Ganda.
so memorize yan na si Parina. Hindi na kailangan pakilala.
Okay.
Alam
So
mo
I'm
naman.
not introduce myself to you.
What is your favorite? What are you looking? Sige, yun na lang, Brad. Tanong mo sa kay Parina. What's your ideal partner?
I want something that is
Tagalog.
Right. Tagalog. Woodline. Gusto ko yung ano. Gusto yung
Tagalog.
matalino.
Ang ano
Ito, Parina. Isipin mo na sa
boss
Tony
ni
Talks
Justin.
tayo, di ba? Yung medyo naiiyak na yung guest ni Tony Parati, di ba? Yung seryoso sila. Di ba? Yung parang, yung mask off sila, mask off.
Apa. Siyempre gusto ko lang dapat yung seryoso
Sagutin mo na.
Ay, teka. Oh,
Okay.
yes? Go?
Yeah. Okay, go.
Go.
Read the ask.
So, Parina, anong hinahanap mo sa iyong ideal partner?
Sa ngayon po, I want someone na matalino, hardworking, at syempre po yung mahal ako. Yun lang.
Paano mo gusto mahalin ka? Parina?
Ano?
Paano mo gusto mahalin ka?
Mahalin? Bakit aalis? Charis. Sorry.
Dali na, ano nga.
Sorry. Mahalin. Ewan ko.
Gusto mo yung binibaby ka? Parang Joyce siya kasi Brad, ganun? Or gusto mo yung shy type lang siya?
I haven't seen them loving each other, so.
Oh, you want to see them loving each other tonight?
First. Para man lang magkaroon ako ng
Love
idea.
you can hurt.
Pero,
Heard.
I think Justin, ipapakita na lang niya sa'yo kung paano kanya mamahalin.
kaya nga sabi ko, creative in his own way, pwede na yun.
Pwede na yun.
So, di ba sabi mo broken ka last night?
Last night yun.
Bakit? Anong ginawa?
Guys, wala na ako crush. I'm officially single.
Wow.
Single.
Kasi,
Tapos na po ang one-sided love.
bakit?
Kasi-
Kasi
May
nandito ka na.
girlfriend?
Wala. Napagod lang.
So,
Napagod.
mabilis ka mag-give up?
Ay, hindi naman.
Nag-give up ka agad eh.
Hindi mo alam kung kailan nagsimula. Nalaman mo lang yun tapos na.
Oh, shit! Ganda ng line na yun, ha? Ganda ng line na
Ako,
yun.
Catherine Bernardo.
Oh. Kamusta kaya si Catherine, no?
Ako, Catherine Parina.
Oh.
Okay siya, nakaputi.
Nakaputi.
I love Singapore.
Singapore's.
Yes. Alam mo kung sino pa yung isa
Si
kong
Justin
mahal?
mukhang taga Singapore.
Talaga ba?
Ano ka na?
Justin, parang mukha kang Singaporean.
Hindi ko alam.
Do you look yourself Singaporean?
I'm a Hainanese chicken.
Pwede. Mag-Singaporean. Hindi man Merlion, pero pwede na.
Left.
Mirla.
Turn to the
Side.
left.
Sabi ko nga hindi naman Merlion, pero Singaporean.
Nga.
May. Sino gani? Ako or si Justin? Mga side-side.
Ay, bungol akong cellphone. Ikaw na lang.
Justin, ikaw kasi mag-side ganyan. Sige pa. Side view.
Oh, Merlion.
Mirla yun. Doc, okay, Doc, Doc, Nisa, ano po gagawin mo sa Fez ko?
Wait, ba't ako lang yung tinatanong? Ba't ibang tao na naman?
Hindi, kaya nga, si Nisa na eh. Ikaw, Nisa, are you single?
I don't share.
It's a personal matter.
Kahit ano pa yan, kahit anong status pa yan.
But, are you available? or taker?
Hindi
Don't share. Pwede mong titigan dahan-dahan.
That is for the friends.
That is only for in private.
Personal consumption.
Personal consumption.
You take it
Kung
offline.
GC tayo, pwede na yun masagot doon.
Pero parang based on the looks, mukhang happy ka naman eh.
Yeah, meaning.
Meaning gano'n. I think may nagmamahal sa'yo.
Pwede.
Pwede.
Baka Pinoy hindi.
Hayop? Lugar? Pwede.
Tao?
Wala na. The ship is
Sound.
beside Titanic.
Okay.
Thinking. The ship is
Hindi
sinking.
sila ba?
Question to Farina.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Mahal mo or mahal ka?
May this really hard kind of.
Ganun dapat, Brad. Yeah, man.
Parang hindi ko pa siya masagot for now. Parang mahirap ako na.
Twins. Mine is green also. Here
Oh,
is
shit! Oh, wala.
Oh!
wala
Oh,
pa
my.
pag-ibig.
It's the same exact. Same exact.
Tumblr.
Same exact.
Yeah, but mine is the dark green.
Oh,
Because
show yours.
yeah.
Justin,
So
that's
he's
my
gonna-
favorite combination. Your Tumblr is perfect.
Yes, we're the tumbling.
Favorite yan ni Farina
We will go
na
tumbling.
colors.
Tumblr bodies.
Perfect combination. I love that.
Perfect tumbling.
Ito ng mga tao kanina, lumubog na yung ship, nagpakita lang ng tubigan. Lumutang na naman ang hayop.
Oh,
It's the Destiny's Child.
okay, sige. Since si Joyce nag-ask, ikaw Joyce, mahal ka o mahal mo? Fast talk tayo ngayon.
Oh my gosh, now that I think about it, parang, ang hirap.
Hindi na kailangan sagutin.
Wala.
Hindi nga, ikaw muna.
Hindi na kailangan
You keep
sagutin.
quiet. You keep quiet, Bradley tries.
Hindi naman kailangan sagutin. Hindi.
So ano nga, Joyce? Mahal mo? Or, ano yun? Ano yung tanong ko? Can you help me, Lisa?
Mahal ka? Ano? Mahal mo?
Or mahal
O
ka?
mahal ka?
Both.
Ikaw muna.
Ay, na lang.
O pasahan
Mahal mo
mo.
ako or mahal kita.
Saan? Hot potato?
Hot potato eh.
Sige na, ikaw na mauna.
This round is called the hot potato round.
Okay.
Mahal.
Ikaw na.
Ano na? Sa mga hindi pa
Just
nag-follow,
na.
please follow.
Mga hindi pa nag-follow.
Uy, ano na? Alam mo, nagdududa na ako sa inyong dalawa, ha? Tagal niyo sumagot.
Hello.
Uy, ano na?
Mahal.
I guess mahal
Mahal kita.
ka.
Mahal ka. Si Brad.
Mahal ko siya.
Okay. Then we found the match. There's a match.
No denying. Okay
There's a
na
match.
ang answers ni Brad Amogi na.
Lisa or...
I miss you. I miss you.
Uy, abo, may aman pa ah.
Aboy ko niyo. Aboy ko ni.
Wala ko.
Wala bang I love you dyan, Brad? Wala bang I love you dyan?
I miss you. I love you. So much.
Pasabay na lang, sir. Pasabay.
So much.
Why do you love
PM na lang. Please, maawa kayo sa amin.
Respect, oh, respect.
Kikik ko na pala kayo.
Respect.
Kikik ko na kayo.
Farina, tsaka Nisa, tsaka ako. Matutulog tayo mamayang gabi. Hindi natin marinig yun.
Depende pa na.
Sorry.
Nice.
Nag-answer ng question, your turn.
Sorry.
And I guess, and diba, ang daming followers si Brad, hindi rin maririnig yun tonight. Kaya nandito tayo.
Huwag ka naman-
That's why we're here tonight.
Don't rub the salt in the wound, bro.
Your turn, Justin.
Yeah, my turn.
Yeah.
What's my turn?
It's your question.
Mahal mo or
Loving you or loving can hurt?
Loving can hurt.
You ask me, Nisa. You ask me agad the question.
Justin, mahal ka o mahal mo? Tsaka,
Mahal ko.
Why?
Why? May follow-up, ah. Because... Bakit nga ba?
Bakit na?
Nga ba mahal kita?
Shit,
Ako
ang
man
hirap
ako.
ng tanong na yun, ha? Kalimutan ko na paano magmahal, eh. Pero napapaisip ako, ha?
Ay, so...
Ikaw muna mag-answer, ikaw, Nisa. Mahal ka, mahal mo?
Mahal ako.
Oh, di okay. Gusto mo minamahal ka.
Oo. Para mag-adjust na lang ako.
Mag-adjust ka na lang. Oo, totoo.
Ako man dahil, ako man dahil.
Truly.
Kapag di ako pa
Oo, mag-effort. Oo.
effort pa ako. Tanda ko na.
Paligaw ka rin, diba? Kung bagang paligaw ka rin.
Ha, hindi rin.
Huwag na. Diretso na.
Hindi rin.
Ano?
Friend process ako. Ganun ang processing namin sa BIR.
What? Mabilis?
Dapat friend, hindi. Dapat friend ko.
Ano ka ba? BAR? 2 days lang? Release na? Ano?
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin.
Slow burn, yes.
Slow
Gusto kong
burn.
enemies to lovers. Gusto kong forced marriage to
Slow burn,
lovers.
ha?
Gusto ko yung ganun.
Pero mukhang good friend naman si Justin eh, di ba?
Oo, kami din ni Parina. Tapos anong ibig sabihin nun? Nagsa-slow burn din kami ni Parina?
Hindi, may slow burn ka na eh. Kaya may ka-slow dance ka naman ngayon.
Huwag naman yung dance. Pwede na lang.
Slow motion.
Ngayon, hindi mo na nasagot ang why.
Why?
Delilah.
Brad kaya? Si Brad mo una.
Ako yung sagot lang naman ni Brad. Joyce parang Jesus lang yung sagot niya sa lahat. Joyce.
Joyce.
Guys, may may special guest ako. Okay lang.
Go.
Is it Chief?
That's gonna be a bombshell.
Shit, bombshell.
A new bombshell has entered the
It's gonna be
villa.
a bombshell.
Okay.
Game ba daw kayo?
Oo, game kami.
Ready ba
Yeah,
kami?
I think
Bakit ka
this
sumisimot
will
ng
explode.
mental dyan, Nisa?
Honestly, I think this will explode the TikTok world.
Why?
Teka, coordinate ko siya. It's not Tommy, but
Is it
related.
Oh.
Oh, shit. So, Nisa, yung question. Ano question mo? Ang hirap ng question mo. Ang tagal ko nang di naisip yun eh.
O baka, bala si Justin.
Sumasakit ulo ko, ha? Headache.
Baka baka, sa balaga.
Mahal niya daw ang amo na.
Sa mga hindi pa
Why mahal mo,
nag-follow, please follow.
Justin?
Ano?
Oo.
Why?
Why? Because I want to be a gentleman and I want to give that woman, everything, all the love I can.
Kahit wala na sa'yo, natitira?
Kahit wala na sa akin natitira.
Wow!
You're a gentleman.
Di ba ga? Baka baka, sa balaga kay Nisa. Ayun po
Sisimutin ko.
Namin, gulo pa ni Mao.
I'm working my magic.
Okay, do yourself.
Yes.
Who is that?
Follow,
Ay,
please
muna.
follow.
Give me clue.
Grabe si Bradley, ah. Nakasando lang siya.
Si Mano pa ko di. Do ka piglo rin. Nalang ko di.
Clue.
Clue?
Babae, lalaki.
I'll just surprise you.
Di ba si Bradley may papakilala daw sa akin, eh? Pero secret daw niya yun.
I'll just surprise you. Teka, wait
Kilala
lang.
namin.
Guys,
Kilala
pag,
namin yan.
Naman ni Ma.
pag umabot ng 3K, pag umabot ng 3K, ipapasok ko siya.
Ito naman,
Share
nangampas
nyo.
na ko eh.
Huh?
Nag-follow, please follow.
Dami pang requirements
Sa mga
eh.
hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
Pero
Share this live, guys. Share.
Gumagana ba talaga yun?
Is
Is she here? Is she here?
Si Aling Mirna daw.
Is she
Si Aling
here?
Mirna!
Yan yung ipapakilala mo kay Justin.
Hindi. Ano na to? Kilala na ni Justin.
Sino, bro? Wait, alam mo to, etong TikTok na to, nagbubudol ako kay Brad, ah. Matutulog na dapat ako tonight. Ngayon.
Naglalaro
Punta
na
ako na
dapat.
sa TikTok, nag-live. Ano ba makukuha ko?
Ilang linggo na ako lang tulog.
Pero for Bradley, gagawin mo to. For Bradley.
Sige, sige. Ihatag ka ang fantasiya sa iyo.
Saan na?
Sino ba yan?
Wait lang. I'm
Si
working it
Ivana
out.
daw.
Sige, usap lang kayo. Usap lang kayo.
Sige, usap lang tayo.
Oh, anong chika? Guys, anong chika dyan?
Ewan ko sa host. In-invite lang ako dito.
So, kamusta naman kayo? How was your day?
Karina, how was your day?
How was your day, Parina?
Ako ba?
Oo. Kunwari nag-iinuman tayo, practice tayo, nag-iinuman tayo. Nasa Manila tayo, nag-iinuman tayo. Tapos, nasa mga 3 a.m. na. Wala pang, ayaw mo pa umuwi.
Ay, hindi. Sa'yo lang ako noon.
Ayaw niya makipag-usap.
Ah,
Tinatry ko siyang like hilain, tapos bigyan ko siyang tubig.
Oo.
Huwag daw
Ayaw.
siyang guluhin.
Hindi ko pagsabara. Dance
Sino sayaw
lang.
mo?
Ikaw ba sumasayaw ka,
Sayaw sa
Justin?
kanya. Ha?
Sumasayaw ka?
Tagal ko lang di sumasayaw eh.
Dili.
Private.
Party na ka.
Private,
Party
oh,
na
private
ka.
room.
I need it. Like, it's not just want, but I need it.
You need it?
Yeah, ang pamarty.
Social party mo dyan sa
Effective mo na
Bacolod.
manok, tumutunog na naman.
Kaya nga,
Ba't
Palitan mo kasi yung
oras
battery.
hindi gigising?
Palitan mo yung battery ng manok.
maya na pag na-adobo na.
Yung...
Baka naka-ano yan, naka-US yan na ano.
US based.
Sino si Mika?
Salamat ka.
Oh, you, Joyce. How was your day, Joyce? Maraming work si Joyce eh.
Oh, maraming ganap today. Maraming tea.
Kamusta naman ang isang Joyce?
Nagsasayaw
Kamusta
na
naman
yan.
ang Joyce? Kamusta naman ang Joyce?
Okay. Guys, punta kayo sa, magpa-plug na ako. Closet cleanup namin. Yes, nagbenta kami ng clothes. Yes, yun na.
Oh, kailan yan?
October 11 and 12 sa Cubao.
Yes,
Wow.
guys. Support.
Support.
And follow. Sa mga di pa nag-follow,
what-
please follow.
What can your fans expect there?
Good quality clothes and makeup. Free makeup.
Free makeup.
Wow!
Layo naman natin.
Perfect. Ang layo natin sa blessing.
Punta kayo.
Punta kayo.
I'll be there. Oh.
Ba yan?
Layo.
I'll be there.
Sana all Manila Zoo.
I'll go there. I'll support. Para, dahil wala si Parina at si Nisa, I'll be there. October 11, Cubao. Yeah. And expect na may
Okay, guys. Ready? Guys, ready na? Ready na? Ready na?
Ready na ba?
Pasok ko na.
Pasok!
Papasok ko na. Okay, pasok.
Pasok!
Kaso, gigiling-giling. Gigiling-giling.
Who's gonna be
Sino
there?
siya? Oh,
Anika.
Hello po.
please introduce yourself.
I think you guys are underwhelmed. Anong trip
Oh,
niyo
they're all speechless. They're all speechless.
Sabi nila Ivana, it's just me guys. Sorry.
This is
Hi,
Ivana.
Mika.
Hello po, Miss Mika.
Hello po, Miss Mika.
Habang tulog lang ako guys.
We're the same time.
Nagagalit yung manok mo, Parina.
Mga defective mo manok.
Parina.
Chicken nuggets na. Ayan. Tahimik na ang buhay.
Sa mga hindi pa nagpo-follow, please
Please
follow.
follow.
Oh.
What's happening?
Kamusta naman, Mika?
Okay naman. The weekday, so busy. Work.
How was your day yung question yan, Mika? So, si Nisa, si Mika yung last natin tatanong. How was her day?
My day was okay. I
Okay
was so very busy.
Busy girl. Si Nisa.
Sorry.
How was your day?
Sorry for being a rude host. I just want to let Mika introduce herself to baka first time yung mag-meet kay Parina and Nisa.
Oh, usap sila. May initiation sila.
The introduction? Is that a thing?
Yeah, intro lang.
Guloy mo, Nisa.
Na candidate.
Okay. My name is Mika, friend nila Brad. And friend ni Justin din.
Hello.
No, Brad.
Sorry.
Random ni Brad. Ayun, and also friend of Joyce. Yun lang naman. I also posted TikTok.
Sikat.
Sorry kung nabigla ka. We just saw your name tapos I thought, oh, this would be a fun guest. So yun lang.
Brad is the manager.
Bacolod. My dad.
Oh, yeah, yun.
Ano? From Bacolod ka?
Yeah. Hindi lang ako marunong Ilonggo masyado. But I can understand.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Everybody should go to Bacolod, I think.
Yes.
Like, sabay-sabay na lang lahat. Sabay! Detective pa yung manok. On na, Mike.
Ano gagawin natin?
Why are silent night, Karina? Why are so silent night?
Ang chicken.
The chicken's so loud.
Ang farm bill niya, naka-ano.
Lutuin mo na si Marina yung chicken dyan.
Gawin na nuggets daw.
Charades.
Charades tayo.
Charades ka, ikaw.
Charades.
Sakto namon.
Wala
Mika, you have to talk.
One
You have to
word.
talk in Parina G's language to someone.
I know. Okay, I have to practice first in my head. Baka mahiya ako.
Go.
You're not shy type yourself.
Sabi ko na yung alam ko English.
Can I observe muna?
Sige. You're of the observant tonight.
Karina,
Can we
charades.
speak Korean language?
Are we?
I suck at it.
Go, I wanna hear.
Okay, but you said that you're gonna game ourselves.
I thought we were gonna play charades.
How do we play that kind of?
Oh.
You will gonna be action
Yourself.
word.
Okay.
And we will gonna be mouth word.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead. You.
Ano?
Heart.
Heart.
Burger.
Heart burger. Love burger.
Heart attack.
Is the Farina language?
Heart
or normal
evangelist.
word? Farina?
Wait lang. Liwat. From the top.
From the top. Okay.
It's differential.
From the
Ito, kawawa.
from the clock. Top.
From the top rope. From the top rope.
Wait lang ha. I'm gonna guess myself.
Wait, yung word, is it in Farina language or in normal English?
Is it in Farina language or normal?
Hindi na ata sasagot.
Hulaan na lang natin.
I am pressure yourself.
Nami,
I'm gonna think of long down and it's not.
Answer us first. Is it gonna be in the Farina language or normal words?
It's gonna be the Korean language, but the term is gonna given is perfection to the English language.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Three words. Syllable.
3-pointer.
Three
3 syllables.
syllables.
3 syllable. Knock on wood.
Door. Ano yun?
Ball.
Ball. Fish ball.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Lollipop?
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Okay.
Next. It's gonna be the who. Il gonna me?
Yeah, all you. All you.
First. It's the action me?
Yeah.
Action star?
Yes.
Oh my.
Last. One syllable.
One syllable. The meow meow.
Oh, the meow meow.
Oh.
Elijah!
Meow
What's the
meow.
word now?
One syllable.
Dead.
Stab.
Murder.
Knife.
Dead.
Red stab.
Is that it?
Nice.
Pangit na. Pangit siguro pag virtual. Gawin na lang natin sa personal.
Dapat groupings.
Ilang kaya sa live, Brett?
Dami.
Just one?
Pero max na to, max na 6. Too chaotic na pag 6.
Ano yung Junisa?
Ha?
Junisa.
Junisa is the... Aling Junisa.
Parang Junisha.
Oh, anong pauso yan?
Oo, kaya ko pa. Guys, 11:33 na, pero kaya ko pa.
What time ka na?
Kilit na lang.
I have an early day tomorrow, so 11:40 out na. Sorry guys.
Mag-end sila karon nga wala gat santo sa number ga nga hindi ko gusto malalain naman na din.
Tagalog na tayo.
Bala ko
Tagalog.
Ending closing
You
remarks.
understand that, Mika?
Yes.
Ano sabi?
Ano?
Ano sabi?
Nino. So I can understand Ilonggo. Is Perino, you're also from Bacolod?
Yes po, from Negros. Saan ka dito? Sa Negros?
Bacolod City.
Bacolod. Diin sa Bacolod.
Ha?
Diin dampi sa Bacolod. Saan sa Bacolod?
City, in front of Lasal.
Ah,
It's a small world after Lisa.
Small world after all.
from the ocean.
Capitolville ka, pero taga dyan ka.
Yes. Manila ko right now, but I'm going in a few weeks.
Ah, nandito ka ngayon? Ay, hindi. Ano man?
Mamaskara ka?
No, November pa.
Ah, sige, sige.
Everybody mascara, please.
Your family is here in the stable?
In the stable?
Are they
Wait lang, what
gonna...
does that mean?
We're gonna be stay with me in the stable in the Bacolod or in the Manila?
Stable.
Father is stable in the Negros.
And then,
Fathers! Oh my God, kaya.
You're
yourself.
doing the great. You're doing the good. You're doing the good.
Yeah.
I'm doing the good. Okay.
okay. How about the mother?
Mother is in the Manila city.
Oh, perfection.
Perfect.
So, how about you? You are not confused yourself to the stable? Where to be? In the
I work in the Manila, so I am stable here. You have to give me one more chance, guys. I have to study the language. Hindi ko talaga kaya.
your learning center. It's China.
Alright.
Are you pro na?
Pro na? No, I am Tagalog only.
You're not talking in Perinaism? Yun ba yung tawag sa language mo?
It's gonna be called. It's not called anymore.
Yeah.
Not called.
Uncalled for.
Hot or
End call. End call na ba?
Next time, we're gonna name something for that.
Chinitox.
What if
Thank you. Thank you all
Please follow.
for joining the Chini Talks.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
Pero we owe you isa pang live with Chef Parina.
Yes, we owe
Disappointed
you.
wala si Chef.
Why
I
is
know.
Hansen himself?
Because the chef
he's
is cooking
Ina mo.
Cooking himself.
cooking himself.
Ina mo, wow.
Cooking mo.
Okay. Would you laugh? Brad.
Brad.
Because you're so excellent in the language.
Mika. There's a question to you, so I'm gonna read ask. Do you also go to the party people?
Yes, I go to the party people of the weekend.
Oh,
In the
on
in the
Saturday?
population, in the
Always
population.
or never been?
Always recently because I am singleism.
Oh, so you are trying to be like your connection to the town?
I am very singleism. Do you know anybody who's also singleism?
Many.
Marina is single.
Parina is like,
Justin.
Do you want to?
Reina is single.
Do you like girls?
We're not meant to that kind of things. You're gonna be said, parika.
You like me?
Marina, si Mika.
Parika.
Kasi may boyfriend ka, diba?
Huh?
You have boyfriend?
You have boyfriend? Don't have boyfriend lah.
Sawari ka!
We're not answering the call.
Showbiz.
It is a private matter.
It's private school.
Private school.
Yeah, it's not. The question is not really asked here in the online stuff, but in the GCs, the answerable by yes or no.
Yes.
Brad, manager, you're gonna add them to the personification GC, so we're not able to, distract each other. Would that be possible?
We'll add to the chat so everyone can join the room.
Okay. Now, I am gonna declaring you to be the presidential. So you're gonna list all the noises.
I second the motion.
Yeah. Who
Brad
else
is
is
presidential tonight.
It's
I'm the-
Majorette.
You're calling me the BBM?
You're not gonna be that kind of
The baby mo?
Joyce.
Joyce.
Are you allowance
So
yourself? to the-
flirtatious.
Right?
Delicious, flirtatious.
T?
Flirtatious.
Who's the vice?
Who's the
Fine.
vice?
Who's the
Lisa.
vice?
I like to be treasurer.
I'm the
Can I be
muse. I'm the muse.
Battle
you're
for the
fighting,
muse.
ah. Battle
Battle
for
for
the
the
muse.
muse.
But I'm the vice
Everyone
Dison.
will
I
win.
can be the vice Dison.
Vice Diesel?
Yes.
You're too political. It's not the political now.
Yes, it's different discussion.
Escort ko na si Parina.
It's not. Chicken again.
I'll be the escort na lang.
Chicken
Karina's
again
the muse.
celebration.
She will
Chicken and egg. Chicken and egg.
So, so the
People
underestimate,
when the people are gonna say
underestimate
that
is the first lady.
Uh-huh.
Sleeping tick nila, ok. Where is that?
It's in Carolina's.
Tomorrow, don't worry. Tomorrow it's buffalo wings to me.
Wow.
Yes.
Just you wait. The
Yes.
chicken is last day today.
because they are gonna be the declare. If I'm gonna be said that I'm the escort, the chicken are the celebration themselves.
11:14 na. 11:14 na.
You like to sleep. You're the timer. You're the timer, ah.
Timer charge.
Grabe, ah.
Time lapse.
The chicken is telling me. 11:14 na. 11:14 na.
Why? Nagmamadali ka na naman, Lisa.
Are you
Hindi,
gonna
kasi
stop
sabi
me?
niya 11:40 daw.
Stop her. Are you gonna stop her?
11:40 daw
Okay, guys.
mag-end.
Are you gonna stop her?
No, I'm not gonna stop.
Follow.
So, hindi ko nag-follow.
Follow.
Ma-live ka pa rin.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night, guys.
Wala bang kiss babay sa inyo, Brad? Enjoy.
Bye, Beb.
Ay, sorry.
Nadula.
Kawawa.
Hayaan mo na siya.
Sorry.
Kawawa.
Mema. Sorry.
Minsan na, pinilit mo pa yan.
And ko sana one by one nagsasalita.
Uy,
Grabe ka naman.
gusto ko din naman ng
Okay,
kiss
bye.
eh.
Brad, kiss!
Joke lang.
Oh, sige. I'll end you guys, except Joyce.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys!
Bye.
Bye, Mika. Nice
Bye,
meeting
Mika.
you.
Nice of the meeting you. And the
Bye.
choice, of course.
Bye.
And the Brad. Thank you.